Our team works really hard to go that extra distance and give everyone an experience they'll want to share. We're so thankful for this great review that makes all of our efforts worthwhile. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. We work hard to ensure everyone is happy and satisfied with our service, and we will work just as hard for you too. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.